Hi, I'm Dr. Kulreet Chaudhary, integrative neurologist and Ayurvedic practitioner. Today I'm going to talk about why I use and recommend for others to use Shankhpushpi for perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms. I'm going to give you my top 7 reasons why this herb is a go-to during this important transition for women. Let's start with number 1. Shankhpushpi rejuvenates the nervous system and reduces stress. This is such an important component for getting through this hormonal transition successfully. And when I say successfully, I mean without losing your mind or feeling like you're always at your wit's end. These hormonal changes have a huge impact on our entire body and especially our mind. And we don't have to suffer through it. Shankhpushpi makes these changes smoother and more tolerable. Reason number 2, it balances out the mood swings associated with fluctuating hormones, resulting in greater emotional stability. This is an offshoot of reason number 1, but it's so important to emphasize Shankhpushpi's ability to really flatten out the mood swings. Anytime there are hormonal fluctuations, moods tend to go up and down. That's why we see this in teenagers as well as women going through menopause. And this is also one of the reasons why Shankhpushpi is such a great herb for teenagers as well. So both for perimenopause as well as for puberty, this is the herb to turn to help strengthen the nervous system and just keep things more even throughout the day. Reason number 3, it helps to alleviate stress-induced digestive issues such as constipation, gas, and intestinal spasms. One of the unfortunate side effects of stress is the way that it completely throws off your digestive system. Because Shankhpushpi is so wonderful at reducing the impact of stress on the mind, it immediately has a soothing effect on the gut. So all of these pesky symptoms such as constipation, gas, and irritation in the belly that can actually cause spasms and pain are also alleviated as your moods are becoming smoother and more peaceful. I mean, what a relief to have both mind and gut feel coordinated in this peaceful transition. Reason number 4, it helps to reduce fluid retention. One of the annoying aspects of hormonal changes is the excess fluid that you collect. I've always referred to this as fake fat because it's not really fat. It's actually lymphatic backup, but you can't tell the difference. So no matter what you're doing with exercise and diet, it will not impact this excess weight that you're putting on because it's simply fluid. Shankhpushpi to the rescue here. It helps to remove this stubborn weight, which again is not fat, it's just simply lymphatic backup. And it helps to move it along into the lymphatic system so that it can be removed from the body naturally through the lymphatic system, the digestive system, and the urinary system. We don't need everything to feel tighter as we're going through an already challenging time just because of excess fluid, and Shankhpushpi moves right in and helps to clear up some of this fake fat. Reason number 5, it helps to reduce excess menstrual bleeding. For many women, as they transition into perimenopause and menopause, they'll experience heavier periods. This is also due to the hormonal changes. And it's not just uncomfortable, it can actually lead to serious symptoms like fatigue from all the blood loss. Shankhpushpi also helps to address this by reducing the amount of blood flow during the menstrual cycles as you're going through this hormonal transition. Reason number 6, it helps to support reproductive tissues and hormonal balance, and it even acts as an aphrodisiac. More and more women are looking for ways to go through perimenopause and menopause naturally without the need of synthetic hormones. Shankhpushpi can help you accomplish this goal, if it is one of your goals, by supporting the reproductive tissue and supporting the natural production of all of your sex hormones. One of the benefits of this is not just having fewer perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms altogether, but it also helps to boost libido, which is oftentimes adversely affected as women go through these hormonal changes. Shankhpushpi is one of those herbs that supports reproductive health in general, which again, it's just such a gift to have all of these things addressed when you're going through a time of so much transition. In just one herb, we are counterbalancing so many different things. Reason number 7, it rejuvenates the skin. As if it wasn't already doing enough for our mind, for our digestive system, for the lymphatic accumulation, as well as our reproductive system, in addition to everything else, Shankhpushpi helps to rejuvenate the skin. And loss of skin elasticity is a very, very common symptom that most women face as they go into perimenopause and menopause. And Shankhpushpi helps to naturally support the production of collagen and helps to even smooth out skin tone. This is another reason why Shankhpushpi is so helpful for adolescents as they go through puberty. Again, as it reduces the overall stress the body's feeling, it also helps to prevent teenage-associated acne. So if these aren't enough reasons for you to try Shankhpushpi, maybe you would be willing to do it to get your teenager to try it as well, so that you can both be feeling better as you're addressing these critical and important hormonal changes and all of the challenges that come along with them. I'm Dr. Kulreet Chaudhary, wishing you health and happiness.